All right, almost done with this face of the part. So here we go. We're gonna have to drill and now ream this last hole. This is going to be a very, very precise hole in which a pin is eventually going to get pressed into this feature. So what we're going to have to do is drill and then ream. So back to a drilling cycle, select a tool. In this case, off of this library of tools, we want this 113 thousandths diameter drill, or a number 33 drill. Let's select that, click OK. Now, this one we could rely on the face of this hole to select on the geometry. It doesn't have anything else going on modeled that's going to get in the way of things. There we go, it's going to see the full depth on that, height geometry to the bottom of the hole. Okay. Very, very good. Easy enough there. Now again, in this video we'll just come back to drilling. I'm going to do another tool selection. I'm going to come back here to the demo library and do the 124 and 7/10 thousandths of an inch reamer. Okay. Select that. Its information pops up here. This geometry, again, I'm going to want to come back to this point right there, and I'm going to use to set my depth here, come back to my drawing and take a look. I want to, this 124, I didn't put that information in there. We're going to do this one, I know, just a quarter of an inch deep, so negative 0.250. Okay, I think the hole goes 300 thousandths deep. We're going to allow ourselves 50 thousandths of room at the bottom. A reamer does not drill its own holes. It cannot do that. It precisely takes a hole that was a smaller diameter and takes it to a slightly larger diameter, but very precisely. And you have to select your roughing drill appropriately to leave just enough material so that it'll cut well. I think in this case, 124, we're going to be reaming about 10 thousandths, a little bit more than 10 thousandths of an inch out of the hole that we pre-drilled. So 5 thousandths of an inch per side of the hole that we're removing. Again, we can come back and simulate. It'll look pretty on the, oops, click the wrong thing, simulate. If we come down to these here, play, there it's drilling out, coming back and reaming that hole to size, the correct diameter. Very cool. So at this point, this side of the part, if we were to run it all the way through in its simulation, finally simulating this whole thing through, speeding this up, we've done our pocket all the way out, both rough finished, outside profile, rough finish, chamfer, drill and tap, drill and ream. Beautiful. One side of the part is done. However, we still got to do something on the back side. So the last few videos here are going to show how we can accomplish getting the whole part fully completed out.